Okay, so wishful thinking has happened, and I am delighted to connect with all of you journalists and media people, or person.
Mr. Thapar, how are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, boy. The whole nation can hear you. There is absolutely no need to shout.
No. I'm sorry, Mr. Thapar. I haven't started shouting yet. Now, can you hear me?
I just said I can hear you. Shekhar, can you hear him?
As the Hindi film kahavat goes, and this one is from the late Rishi Kapoor's Laila Majnu, Nawazish, Karm, Shukriya, Meherbani. मुझे बख्श दिया आपने जिंदगानी. Meaning, yes, I can hear him.
I believe some Hindi journalists are also joining us. Let's see, we have Ravish Kumar.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं रविश कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं प्राइम टाइम. स से समाज.
No, Ravish, stop. I was just taking your name. This isn't a show, yeah? It's just a Zoom call. Relax. Okay, there is also a Mr. Sudhir Chowdhury.
ऐसे खतरनाक लोगों के साथ वैसे तो हम बात नहीं करते, लेकिन संस्कारी होना जिसके खून में हो वो भला मना भी करे तो कैसे.
Amazing, yeah, great. There is also Deepak Chaurasia.
नमस्ते तावर सर, कैसे हैं? कैसे हैं सर?
And we are going to have a cameo by Amish Devgan.
अभी पलट के मैं आपको 4 शब्द बोल दूं तो कैसा लगेगा? मैं नहीं बोलूंगा.
Just gonna ignore that. But I wanted to thank all of you for joining me. I wanted to talk about 2 things today. First, fake news. What are we doing about it?
We are doing everything possible in our domain to figure the solution, and you have the goal. Let me say it clearly on national television, Mr. Thapar. You have the goal to say we are not doing anything. Shame on you. Shame on you.
दोस्ती बनी रहे. अरे ये क्या हुआ? इनकी आवाज को बिल्ली खा गई क्या?
I'll be damned in a gutter shower. He's pressed the mute button by mistake. We'll get back to him.
Now, the media in India is going through what I would like to call as a credibility crisis. ना इधर के रहे, ना
उधर के.
उधर के. गुप्ता जी, छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात करना चाहूंगा. आप भी बनिया, मैं भी बनिया. बनिया टू बनिया बात करते हैं.
I thought you were a Chowdhury.
थापर साहब, च से तो मैं भी आपको कुछ बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन मर्यादा का सम्मान कोई चीज नहीं होती क्या?
You know, I think we need to take some responsibility and stop spreading fake news. Which makes me come to my second point. Press Freedom Index.
Now, you may be surprised to know that India ranks 142 out of 180 in the world's Press Freedom Index. Lower than UAE or Sri Lanka for that matter. चाहे आप कुछ कहें, इन दोनों राज का असली सौदागर ट्विटर या फेसबुक पे नहीं बल्कि हमारे बीच मौजूद है, लेकिन हम उसको पहचान नहीं पा रहे.
मतलब आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि फेक न्यूज और ये फ्रीडम डेस्क का कारण एक ही आदमी है?
थोड़ी तो मर्यादा रखिए सर.
Who is it? Who?
Me!
What?
I've been trying to say something, but the propaganda continues, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight I've been asked by the gentlemen of journalism to come and speak on a matter that is threatening the fabric of the country, and you decide to mute me?
अरे अर्नब सर, वो किसी ने नहीं किया था. मैं हूं यहाँ, चिंता मत कीजिए.
कोशिश कर ले चाहे जितना दुश्मन, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम की आंखों से बच नहीं सकता. ये आपकी नहीं सर, किसी स्टूडियो वाले की गलती है. कुछ भी. ऑपोजिशन अब मेरे स्टूडियो में जासूस भेज रहा है. कुछ भी.
Can you can a can as a can a can?
What?
Now that I have your attention, let me get back to the plot. Ravish, what should we do to stop fake news?
अगर सही मायने में कहा जाए तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये ठान लेना होगा कि हम व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्र नहीं बल्कि भारत के छात्र हैं. भारत
एक ऐसा देश जहां आज भी गंगा जमुना
Okay, we get the point. Stop forwarding WhatsApp messages. What else can we do? Can we not victimize people during this pandemic?
ये गलत बात है सर। देखिए ये गलत बात
आप
हो रही है।
विस्तार से सोच नहीं पा रहे, लेकिन अगर हम जमातियों पे निशाना नहीं ठोकेंगे तो टीआरपी नहीं मिलेगी, और टीआरपी नहीं मिली तो शायद हम खुद ठुक जाएंगे।
Viewers, we have to stop this right now. We have to stop this right now, viewers. This is wrong. We need to blame.
Let Sudhir speak, will you? It's such a delight to hear him speak such delectable Hindi.
Hey, don't you tell me Hindi. You think I don't know Hindi? Is that what you think, Mr. Thapar? पूछता है भारत आपसे, मिस्टर थापर, बताइए, बोलिए, बोलिए भाई और बहनों।
I may be wrong, but I think he tends to copy the Prime Minister quite often now. It's like what the legendary actor Irfan once said in his film Jazba. Although I know many of you may not have seen Jazba, as it was a flop when it had released. Anyway, so he said, शराफत की दुनिया का किस्सा ही खत्म, अब जैसी दुनिया वैसे हम।
Shekhar Gupta, you don't teach me journalism, okay? You may print it.
I mean,
you
he's
may
not some
print
तानाशाह
it.
or a commander waiting for his flop
आज
to
फैसला
open
होके रहेगा आर या पार, आर या पार। आज
देश
देख के
में कुछ
रहेंगे।
ऐसे लोग बैठे हैं जो देश को ही
मैं
बांटना
क्यों
चाहते
चुप रहूं?
हैं,
मैं क्यों चुप
हमारी
रहूं?
आंखों के
आज
नीचे।
आपका खुलासा पूरी दुनिया के सामने होगा। मेरी नोट शीट लाओ जल्दी, आज मैं निकाल कर आऊंगा। लैट्रिन से निकलने दीजिए, फिर निकालता हूँ
Can I have
आपको।
1 minute of silence on this show? Please. Thank you.
Let us all vow to not lie to our audience. Let us take this pledge in this very newsroom tonight. Let's do it.
सर मैं तो टॉयलेट में बैठा हूँ।
There you have it. The cat is finally out of the bag, viewers. Finally out of the bag. And it's not my cat, mind you. Not my cat. It's a cat that belongs to the secular, anti-national propaganda lobby, hell-bent on destroying the fabric of our country.
What is the fabric of this country, boy?
You think I'm dumb? I don't know, Mr. Thapar. Of course it's cotton. Oh!